3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Good morning, fellow Forex traders. Wednesday, September 11th, day after the most lying-ass debate I've ever seen in my life. Let's not get into that. Let's not be political, right? We are so screwed. We are so screwed if it goes the other way. So, interesting concept here. We're looking at the free trade. Yesterday's free trade, if you look back, and I'm kind of guessing, yesterday's free trade on NZD USD buy, I believe we were in 4, maybe 5 of them. Okay, let's just say we were in 5. Well, it would also be this one here. Okay, so we were in these 5 trades. And then I was saying yesterday, we don't know if it's going to back out more. Go back and watch my replay. I'm not saying I predict any of this stuff. I'm not even trying to. I do analyze charts a little bit after I've already entered. I don't analyze for the entry. So it has went against with these two. And let me explain to you what I did, because I had told you that I had manually entered a few NZD buy trades into an account that I have. Just by watching, what we're looking here on the free signal. So let's make the assumption that you woke up, you were already in, let's see, I'm trying to think of how many I was in. I was probably in, let's make this simple, because I'm using this as an example. Let's say I was just in one trade. Let's say I took this basket of trades here, and I seen it moving, and I think yesterday these two were profitable, and I'm going to go ahead and enter the buy. Maybe we're headed towards the TP, the take profit. So I enter 1.10 lot size, just one trade, right? Kind of simulating this entire basket. And my intention was I was going to add more as it moved towards take profit. So that didn't happen. Moved against me. So if my base lot size on my first trade was 0.10 lots, and I wake up the next morning and this thing it was a base lot size one time, and then it increased and increased, right? I should say it was base lot size, and then each of these was just one increase, right, between the two of them. So what I do is I will add up, because, again, this is mathematics. I will add up this 0.20, 0.30, 0.30, right? What is that? 0.80 total. Okay. If my base lot size was 1.0, that means I went up 8x over the 3 trades. So just mathematically, what I do is I enter, again, if I was at 0.10, I'm entering at a 0.80 to cover these 3. And then, of course, I just copy the take profit, which you can see down here. 61526. You might have to watch that a few times to understand what I'm saying there. The point being, I do not have to, if I'm manually entering and using the free signal, I do not have to enter every trade that's given to me. I do not have to enter at the price that is given to me. All I really have to do is obviously enter in the buy direction and enter total lots more than where I was at. I'm going to kind of leave it at that because those are factual statements. You could look at this entire sequence or basket of trades and you could total up the lot size, having never entered any of these, I'm going to lose my voice again. I don't know why this happens every morning. You could total up the lot size and enter at that total lot size. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. 1.7 lot size is what the total is here. Now, scale it to your account. If you came in at a 0.01, that means it's $1.70, not $17, right? Pretty simple. This is going to be a good trade. It's always a good trade. Let's go look at the chart. Chart on NZD USD. You can see what I did. I think yesterday we were hovering around in this range when I was talking. It pushed against us, and you can't see it on the screen, but there was a huge wick yesterday and a huge wick today that pushed down and added these last three. But it has pulled back into this area, and our TP is right here. That's where we're headed. That's what's going to happen. Mark my words. But NZD USD acting like it wants to push a little bit, and that's what the market does. Very indicative of what the market's been doing in the last 90 days. So history-wise, nothing closed overnight. For the week, still at $922.47, and for a month worth of trading the free signal, $7,676.27. I'm impressed. Now, pause, and I will pull up one of the subscriber accounts, or I should say subscriber feed. This is called the 10 pip hybrid. Right now we are in an AUD CAD trade, which is doing something similar to that NZD USD. There was some key news this morning that really moved the market, it seems, across the board. Some key US dollar news, some high impact US dollar news. We'll take a look at that. In fact, just jump over there right now. Here it is. You can see that, you can see that at 8:30 a.m. we had USD 3 times core CPI stuff. So that definitely moved the market. There's no doubt about it. Before I go back to that account, stand by. Yeah, here's where I want to be. So I'm looking at the 10 pip hybrid feed. There are no trades because we're in that AUD CAD. For the week, $2,130.61 closed, and for the month, $24,544.83 closed. Again, this is scalable. You bid what you can bid on your account if you're using this automated feed. Let's jump on to the next subscriber account. You have to have a subscription to get access to these accounts. Let's just jump over to the gold scalper. I have not looked at it. I'm going to make the assumption that it's doing extremely well. And in fact, yeah, so we're in 2 gold trades right now. And I'll share you the history results. So again, I asked my gold scalper account to make $10 a day, and that means it's scalable. So you can make $10 a day, $20 a day. You can double $40 a day, $80 a day, $160 a day. You can scale it to whatever you want. It consistently does $10 per day. Only one time have we seen this trading the gold market run farther than just a little bit of drawdown bidding the base lot size like 0.01. So we're at $9.45 closure for the day. It's in 2 trades right now. It's going to close out at probably $10 plus dollars. Certainly probably something below $20. It will close out. It will do that like it always does. So if you're a subscriber, you plug right into this feed, you copy it right over to your account. Doesn't get any easier than that. You don't have to figure out entry strategy. You don't have to manage it. It's all 100% automated. Next account is we will look at overall again, and we'll take a look at this overall movement right now, bidding a 0.10 base lot size on the full algorithm, all 22 currency pairs, auto copied to your account. Typically, we just monitor that. Nobody has a big enough account to handle 22 currency pairs, even at the minimum lot size, especially in this given market. But that's why we have subsets and ways to simply, with an AI system, handpick and choose trades from the overall system. So right now, looks like we're in maybe about 4 dozen, 3.5 dozen trades. There's a trade that was just entered or closed. History-wise, here's what I want to show you, and here's kind of like the big deal mover. $406.06 closed overnight. That's that's pretty good movement for 22 currency pairs bidding a base of 0.10 lot size or $1 per pip. That's some pretty good movement. And you can see it was just all kinds of random pairs. That USD news, they just took that advantage and they moved all kinds of stuff. CAD Chief, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, CAD JPY. Just absolute craziness. Not a lot of USD pairs. Euro USD moved. Yeah, it's like that USD news just affected everything else. What can I say? So for the week, $406.06. I'm sorry, for the day. For the week, 10,858. So we've had some good movement. Good movement. I mean, here it is only Wednesday. We're looking back, 3 days of this week and 2 days of last week. And for the month, $18,531.30 total closed on the full algorithm. I have not turned on my sample one profitable pair feed that I talked about a few days ago because we're still in that USD JPY random trade. It's just still absolutely going sideways, pushed against a little bit. What I may do because again, we were using that for educational purposes on how to hedge, I may just start that account over, let it start taking my one profitable pair feed. In fact, let's go look at that. Let's go look at the one profitable pair feed. I'm going to actually I'm going to show you the actual feed itself. Oh yeah, so one profitable pair feed is in the exact same trade, that it's just in more of them that the free signal is in, which was at NZD USD. So no closure, I'll share this. No closure overnight. Obviously, it's in that NZD USD. For the week, one profitable pair feed, same as we were yesterday because nothing is closed, $119.21. And remember, $119.21 is a pretty good profit for a week. And that's a base lot size of 0.01, 10 cents. That is really, really good. You have to understand, that is really good. And then for the month, bidding a 0.01 lot size on one profitable pair basket of trades at a time, $4,673.87. That's pretty impressive. That's massively impressive. If you're not subscribing just because of what I showed you right there, the one profitable pair feed, which is what I really suggest everybody be trading right now, instead of the full algorithm, even instead of the subset, the 10 pip hybrid algorithm, I really think the one profitable pair feed, which is what we're looking at, is the place to be right now. You can bid a little bit more if and when it runs away on you and goes deeper. Then you can hedge, and we'll hedge together, and I'll have that sample account running. I'm going to set it up. I told you on a smaller demo account. I don't know if I can get one as small as 1,000. I think the minimum demo account is 3,000. I'll look into that. And we're just going to play it. We're going to bid heavy on the one profitable pair automated feed. We'll hedge when we need to because we're bidding heavy if a trade goes far against us. pretty much like NZD USD is doing now. What is it? Probably 10, 15 trades deep. So, yeah, that's it for the week. Had some great movement because of that USD CPI news this morning. But if we look at the news moving forward, let's see what tomorrow has. Wow, yeah, Euro at 8:15 a.m. More core CPI at 8:30 a.m. 8:45 a.m. Wow, Euro USD tomorrow is going to massively move. And that's Thursday. Let's see what's going on Friday. Nothing Friday. So tomorrow, expect some massive movement. I'm going to stop it there. Appreciate you joining me. Join me in the group. Free Discord group, fxwithterry.com. Come in, take the free trades, subscribe, use all of this advanced stuff. Make it easy on yourself. Sleep at night. Generate a profit. And then do what I suggest you do. Pull out a little bit of profits each week from your Forex account and hold it in Bitcoin for 5+ years. And the amount of money you can potentially make from that, or lose from that, but make from that, is the key to retirement, to future riches, to the smartest thing you could do right now in the landscape that we are in. That's it. Appreciate you joining me. I will see you tomorrow on the live show.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.